So I'm not sure if you're really interested, but this is my apartment. It's very compact. I like it. Well, I love it. It's just quite small. You'll have to excuse the mess, I'm sorry. But I've even got a washing machine. I'm not going to use the washing machine. I've got a microwave, sink, picture, TV. I've not really watched much of that. They've got a fridge there and a freezer. There's my bed. Say it's very compact. TV, this window. The only thing that's missing, I think, about this place is the fact that I think there should be like a chair with a desk. That would be really helpful for me, because obviously if I'm doing work on my laptop, I'm doing that because I've had about 4 pints. Got this spasm in my arm. Let me just show you this. In fact, let's turn out the lights quickly. I want to try and hurry through this. Oh, it's gone dark. Right, I can open this window, look here. Can I quickly... Look at this. These are the people. This is my window, right? And then there's people out here, look. And this is out my fucking window. It's a good job this double glazing is like good. Can you see that? There's a little girl there looking up at me. Can you wave to her? No, she's not waving. Yeah. She obviously didn't see me. If she had have done, she'd have definitely waved. Right, let's shut that. Right, let's go downstairs. Oh yeah, let me just show you this before I go. It's gone dark again. Put the lights on. Dan, put the lights on. The lights on. Right, look at this. Let me show you how to get into the apartment. It's all like digital stuff over here. Hang on a minute. Nearly fell over. Got my phone. Right. It's all digital. It's not like Yale keys like in Birmingham. You've got like your phone, and then you've got your app which you have to open, and then you go into like hang on a minute. Where is it? Heritage. Yeah. Okay. Look at this. So I've got my phone and the door, and then all you do is like no. Oh, for fuck's sake. Right, down. No. Down. Yeah, it's opened. See? See, it does work. See all this technology with your phone. It's incredible. So, what I thought I'd do is just show you this little strip of... I think my battery's running out, you know. I thought I'd show you, this is the hotel. This is where I'm staying. Riverfront and laundry. Exit Riverfront, Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, we're going over here. We're down the stairs. It is a nice hotel though. There's no like restaurant or, you know, you don't get like tea and coffee and stuff like that. It's literally just a room. It's all digital. I think they're trying to be a bit too clever maybe, I don't know. I've never even met anyone since I've been here. It's all like there's a WhatsApp group and you have to do all this WhatsApp texting if there's any problems and stuff like that. So, I don't know. Anyway, we'll see. So, this is the main drag. This is where all the people come to eat. Hello, hello. Get some nose bag. All this nose bag. Hello, 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 hello. Come back later. So, I mean, to be fair, I had a meal here last night and it was absolutely amazing. It's hot. You're hot. You're hot. Hot, hot, hot. Right, I want to just show you down here. I mean, the selection of food is like incredible. You know, Hello, 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 hello.
Namaste, how are you?
Hello, hello, hello.
Welcome to Tandoori Jaika.
Say hello.
Hi, namaste.
So, what's your name?
My name is Raju.
Raju.
Yeah, your good name?
I'm Lee. Lee.
Mr. Lee, nice meeting
Mr.
you.
Lee.
You?
I am Mr. Lee.
Yeah, Raju. My
Raju.
name is Raju, yeah.
I'm from England.
Oh, I'm from India.
India?
Yes.
Okay. So you can speak Singaporean?
No, I
You
can
can't?
speak only English and Hindi.
Hindi?
Yeah.
Hindi?
Yeah.
So if there's one word in Hindi
Yeah.
that I should learn,
Okay.
what do you think that should be? To help me on my travels.
Namaste.
Namaste.
मुझे मदद करो.
Namaste.
Namaste. Thank you. शुक्रिया.
Yeah?
Yeah, मुझे मदद करो.
Namaste. Namaste.
I need your
Namaste.
help.
Yeah.
मदद करो. Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers, brother. He was nice, wasn't he? This is what I wanted to show you. Okay. Are you ready? Hello, Jackie. Hello, Jackie. You look nice. You look nice. This, mate, this isn't Friday night dinner. This is, was it Wednesday? This is Wednesday night dinner. I mean, I think these are shrimps. Oh, look at this, like, look at this old fella here. Look, he's like well pissed off. Oh. Oh man, that's obviously like a crab thing there. He's like pretending to be really still. He's pretending to be Mr. Dead. Honestly, look at this one here. I think some of them probably are dead. Do you know, especially this lot here. Look at this lot here. Look. They look like stones. They're definitely dead. I mean, I'm not going to eat a dead fish. Well, I wouldn't eat a live fish, but a dead one's not really going to be probably like good, is it? So I need to find someone that can tell me about these things that they've got. There's another restaurant down here. It's quite busy tonight. What is wrong with you? There's another place down here that they've got some. I might go there later. So this is obviously, you've just come out of my hotel. This is the front. Just going to show you like the river or the canal or the pond, whatever it is. I mean, it's a lovely setting. Yeah, here we go. Let's see if we can ask some questions about these fishy things. Hello. Hello. These here, are these crabs?
Yeah, it's Alaska king crab.
Crabs. Kicking crabs. Let's like get all the condensation off the window. They're trying to get out. Help! Help me! How are they served? Are they caught?
It's Alaska king crab.
Alaska?
Yeah, it's
They're
from Alaska.
Are they?
Yeah.
So they ship from Alaska to
Yes. Yes, import.
here? Import? In
Yes.
containers?
Yes. All seafood in Singapore is all imported.
So how long have they...
Lobster is from Australia.
Yeah? How long have they been in there?
At least 1 week.
1 week? They're okay, they're obviously.
Yes, still okay.
They look really happy to me.
Yeah.
So how do you serve them?
The answer is depend on what kind of cooking method you want. Like
You cook them anyway? Steam?
steam or black pepper or chili.
Oh, okay.
Or sashimi for the lobster.
You recommend them?
Yeah.
It's hot, isn't it? Can you give me a phone?
Okay.
Thank you, thank you. You're very kind. Thank you for your time. Thank you. So, Yeah, I mean, like, was that 2 weeks? I don't know, in a little container. I'm not sure I'd risk it. But it's really friendly. There's like loads of like, hello, hello, hello. Loads of bars. Good vibe. Great vibe. This guy's like doing some stuff here. That looks delicious. Delicious.
Yeah.
Delicious. Honestly, really friendly people. You know, crazy. Lady there doing some fruit. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, I don't know what to say really, other than I think it was the fishy things that I wanted to show you. But yeah. We might be able to talk to some more people. Let's see if we can talk to some more people.
Oh.
More fishy things. Wow, that's a big one. What is that? What is that?
Crab.
A what?
Crab.
Crab?
Yes.
That's a crab?
Yes.
That's like the biggest crab I've ever seen.
Yeah. Even we have seen.
How much would that cost to eat that? Just for me?
Even we
If I ordered that? Not that I would, but you know.
How much it costs? I don't know.
Yeah? You work here?
No.
Oh, you don't work here?
I'm like you.
Sorry. So that's a crab. What are these things here? He's got like that. He looks like an alien. Look, he's got like them alien things. Have you seen the film Alien? With Sigourney Weaver.
These are different type of crab.
What's this crab here?
This is lobster.
That's lobster.
Yeah.
And that's crab.
That's crab.
That's like a massive crab, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah. Are you gonna try some?
We already tried. We have.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Very good.
Excuse me, he's the man.
You the man?
No, the one is just
Okay.
passed away.
Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. This is like a bit of a seafood escapade. More this one here is like it's all like wrapped up in ribbons and stuff. See? Oh, hello, Jackie. Look, that one's trying to escape. He's like got a tongue. His tongue's going like. See? He's like, oh man, and that one's trying to like, I don't know. Well, perhaps it's just me. I think they're excited to see me. These are all obviously like dead. This is Tian Tian, fishmonger's pier. Pier. I don't know, man. I just think it seems a bit. If I come back in a second life, I hope I don't come back as a. Look at this one here. Look, hope I don't come back as a seat. Look at this one. Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy. Oh man. Oh. I'll tell you what, mate, if that's me, then I just want someone to like eat me quickly. Seriously. This guy, I've just spotted this guy walking down the road and he keeps staring at me. Crazy eyes! A bit like me, really. I've got a lazy eye. Just in case you didn't know. Hey, actually, all these are staring at me. Look at that little fella there, look. Hey? A bit rude, isn't it? Anyway, I think I'm going to wrap it up for today, you know. I think I might actually, I'm going to go and have one more pint. I'm going to have one more pint. I'm quite tired. I've probably drank too much, more than I should, more than I would usually, because I'm a very sensible person. I'm going to have 1 pint of Guinness, and then I'm going to go home. Maybe I'll look at these videos. Let's get a pint. This place looks quite good, doesn't it? I need to find like a Guinness place. Yeah, there's another Guinness place. There's loads of Guinness places, look. Guinness. Let's get a Guinness from here. Let's order a Guinness. Let's get a Guinness. Zero serving. It's so hot, literally sweating. Chop chop, chop chop. Hello, can I have a Guinness please? Guinness, one Guinness. A Guinness.
There's a private event going on.
Pardon?
Part of the SRO.
No,
There's a private event going on.
Private, oh okay. Lots of private weddings. Okay. No worries mate. Fucking private wedding. What the fuck? Doesn't look like a wedding to me. Does that look like a wedding to you? No. Perhaps they just like know it's Lee Harris and the pisshead, and they're not going to serve me because they know I'm going to like smash the place up afterwards. That's probably private. Is this private? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, let's try here. This is good. Look at this. Guinness. Guinness is good. Guinness is good.
Guinness.
Do you like Guinness?
Have a fucking point.
Have a fucking point. Have a fucking point. What do you like Guinness?
Fucking pointing to you.
Give me a fucking point. Let's get a pint of Guinness. Are they serving like normal people?
I don't know. Oh, you're not with the...
Is there a wedding thing going on?
It's a business thing.
Festival?
Yeah.
Are they serve like normal people? What? Festival?
It's a fintech festival.
Fintech?
Yeah.
What, techie shit?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck that. Fucking techie shit. Are you techie? Yeah, you look clever. Yeah, you're clever, aren't you? This guy's clever. What do you do?
What?
What do you do?
I look after the product team.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You live in Singapore?
No, we're from Sydney. I'm from Sydney.
Sydney?
Adelaide.
Oh, okay.
Australia.
Nice one. So you're here for a holiday?
For work, and then we'll stay around for a little bit.
Yeah, nice one. Top man. Let's get a Guinness. Let's get a Guinness.
You gotta pay for the Guinness.
You mean it's not free?
No, only a tiger is free. Would you like a tiger? No.
It's free?
Yes. Really? Yeah. Have that.
Okay. Really?
Really nice.
This is free beer. Should we down it? Should we down it?
Yeah.
Shall we?
Oh, down it? No.
Why not?
Mate.
I'm gonna down
We
it.
don't need to down it just yet.
Yeah, man.
I'll think about you yesterday.
I'm gonna down it, and then I'm gonna go back and get some sleep. I should have done that, man. I need a Guinness. I want to split the G, man. Whoa, London Victoria Pub. Oh, man. This is, hello, buddy. Hello. He probably thinks, what a fucking dickhead. It's security. So, look at this. I don't know why I did that. I wouldn't usually do that. That's ridiculous. Anyway, let's finish off here. I've had a day of culture. I really have. I went to these gardens So some beautiful flowers, some plants. I'm amazed by the architecture. Everything about Singapore, you know, and actually it's probably a good job that they don't let people like me in, really, you know, because they're all quite sensible and, well, sensible, really. Look at that. You know, but I've had a fantastic day anyway. Can do a little bit more tomorrow. It's my last it's my last day tomorrow over here, and then I'm going to fly out to Vietnam on Friday, and that's going to be interesting as well. But as it stands, so impressed with this place. Beautiful place, beautiful people, very elegant. I know I was being a bit silly back there, that's not really me, you know, I was just doing it for effect. But anyway, if you watch this, then you're obviously like, you know, you've got nothing else to do, and you need to like not be watching this because time is precious. Look at these boats. So I've just realised like an idiot. It's the you can see there. It's the FinTech Festival. FinTech. That's like financial technology for you idiots that don't know what FinTech is. And it's becoming like a massive market. You've got companies like SoFi, some other companies as well, I can't remember. But yeah, it's all this like digital technology, digital finance basically. It's all going to be like a digital currency at some point soon anyway, so, you know, this will be big, FinTech. And, you know, you got all the Chinese people here, so, you know, they know what they're doing, don't they? Let's have a little walk around. I don't know where I'm going now. I'm probably going to get mugged and raped. Oh, that'd be nice, wouldn't it? No entry. I don't care. I'm a rebel. Let's go this way. I'm having a little walk around now. Oi, 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 oi. McDonald's? Ah, okay, so I found McDonald's, didn't even know it was there. That's my breakfast sorted out for the morning. Got a Burger King. Why have they got places like this? Like, you know, when you've got all this beautiful food. Starbucks over there. Burger King. Do you know what I mean? It's like lunch sets. Let's just grab 1 pint of Guinness. I need a Guinness. Well, I don't need a Guinness, but I'll have a Guinness. Let's get a Guinness. Guinness, Guinness. Taxi. Guinness. Guinness, 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 Guinness. Guinness is good wholesome Guinness. A drink amongst friends. I don't know if this is the bar. Let's have a look. Let's slide to open. Hello, you too. Hello. You work here?
Yes, I work here.
Yeah.
Why would you
That's rude. That is in the UK. Do that again. No, do it the other way. Do what you did. That's naughty. I'm telling. I'm only joking. Should we get a Guinness? You only have one?
I only have 5 cans.
Really?
You want to try our Singapore like corners?
Is it a coins?
Guys, it's a can. Yeah, is that okay? Or do you want to try our Singapore corners?
Hello. Yeah, I'll have one then.
Okay,
What's
okay.
that?
Corners, yes. It's a stout porter.
It's not Guinness though, is it?
So do you want to get one?
Where's Connors from?
That is from Singapore.
It's what? Singapore. So is that like Singapore Guinness?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Is it better than Guinness?
Yes.
Is it really?
Yes. Okay. Too much.
Yeah, I'll have one. Have you drank Guinness?
I try. I love Guinness.
You do?
Yeah.
But you prefer Connors?
Because I'm Singaporean.
Singaporean. I learned that today in a taxi, you know, Singaporean. Can I ask you a question?
Okay.
If there's one word I should learn as an Englishman in Singapore
In Chinese?
to help me on my travels
Okay.
as an old man,
Okay.
what one word should I learn in Singaporean?
You really want me to teach you how to
Yeah.
like it?
What one word would be helpful for me?
Goodness.
Oh, that's beautiful. Look at the way they serve it as well. It's so elegant, honestly.
Okay. What, really?
Like help.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, 谢谢.
You gonna say it right? 谢谢.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
谢谢.
不用客气.
Huh?
不用客气.
What does that mean?
You are welcome.
Okay. 谢谢.
Yeah. Thank you. 谢谢. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. What's cheers?
不用客气. Cheers mine.
Cheers what?
Cheers mine.
Cheers mine.
Yeah,
Cheers
just
mine. Cheers mine. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. You want to get a seat now? You get a seat.
Yeah, okay, I'll drink this over here. Thank you. Well, I'm gonna drink this, and I'm gonna go home. This is my first Singaporean Guinness. I'm not gonna neck it because that would be rude. I want to be sophisticated in here, so cheers everyone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.
What song would you like?
Sing. Can you sing?
Yeah, I can sing. What
Can you?
song? Like Adele?
What you mean? What do I win on the telly? You mean what do I win on the telly?
Adele?
No, George Michael. George Michael.
Cream?
Huh? Cream. They're an old band, Cream. Cream. They're like that's like
YouTube channel.
YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube channel.
You got a George Michael? Have you heard of George Michael? Seriously? What's your favourite like group, band, music? Who do you like?
Adele.
Adele?
Yeah.
No, like, so you're from Singapore?
Yeah.
So there's no Singapore bands or
Not so much.
pardon? Really? Really? They're all English?
There's more the Chinese, like Taiwan or Hong Kong or celebrity singers. Yeah.
So Adele is your favourite singer of all time? And she's English. Say up the English, up the English. Say English people are great.
English people are great.
I'll tell you what, the Singapore people are amazing.
Thank you
So
much.
friendly, so friendly.
Thank you.
Amazing place.
Thank you.
Such an amazing place.
Thank you.
This girl is awesome. Wasn't expecting that. I've just left this bar. There's loads of karaoke going on. I just felt like talking to two Chinese fellas, young lads, you know, I don't know, same age as my eldest, maybe 21, 22. Nicest guys, well, the one guy, you know, he was sat there on his own and waiting for his mate. And then he turned up and he spoke to me. I said, "Do I join you?" Such a lovely fella. And I tell you what, you know, people say, "Oh, you know, drinking's bad for you and all this, and you know, don't drink," you know. But I wouldn't go up to people and start talking to people. I'm not being funny. Unless I'd had a few drinks and I was relaxed, you know. And I've met some brilliant people this evening, you know. I've had a brilliant time. I might have a bit of a headache in the morning, but you know, for me, I can't go up to people and start talking to people when I'm completely sober. I'm quite uptight and I'm nervous, or you know. So is alcohol bad really? You know, is it? You know, I've had a fantastic evening. I've met some wonderful people. I've learnt a lot of things about Singapore, the culture, the people. You know, probably won't remember any of it, but you know, it's not a bad thing, is it? You know, to enjoy yourself, let your hair down, have some fun, meet different people. Bit of Ed Sheeran.